In question 6 for Unit 3, we start with a certain amount of money, $100,000. And this amount of money grows each year at a fixed percentage, but we don't know what the percentage is. It grows for 7 years. I type in 1 and 2, select, and drag to get the 7 years. These cells here will contain the amount of money that we have after 1 year, 2 years, and so on. We know that the final amount after 7 years should be $150,000. What we don't know is, what is the steady percent at which the money is growing? Is it growing 3% a year, 4% a year, or something different? Let's guess and goal seek. I'll guess that the percentage is 3. That is, each year I have 3% more than I had last year. If that was true, then after 1 year, I would have my original $100,000 plus another 3% of it. I'm intending to drag this. I always want the 3% to remain the same, so I'm going to hit F4 to use absolute addressing. $100,000 plus another 3% is $103,000. Dragging down, I see that if the money grows at a steady 3%, at the end of 7 years I'll have $122,987. 3% was not enough. I wanted the final value to be $150,000. What if I use 4%? That's better, but still not quite high enough. I could continue using trial and error, but better, let's use goal seek. I'd like this number down here to be $150,000. I'll get it there by changing the percentage. It's not 4%, but about 6%. By the way, since I started with around 3%, Excel gave me an answer of around 6%. Normally, I'd like to see this with more decimal places to show that it's not exactly a 6% increase. Let's right-click, format the cells, and choose 2 decimal places. There. We can see that the answer really was very close to 6%, but a little bit less. A steady increase of 5.96% each year for 7 years gives me a total increase from $100,000 up to $150,000.